So today we are looking for some really cool animals here in this beautiful forest after and during, I guess technically, a really big snowfall. And you can see all the snow just like packed on the trees. Good for hydration. Today our goal is to see as many cool species as we can in this beautiful frozen landscape. But we've seen two so far. We've seen a nuthatch already, and we just started filming, and a tufted titmouse.
Okay, so this is actually super frustrating. This is a tufted titmouse, but I could not, for the life of me, get my camera to focus in on this dang titmouse, and it ended up just being a bunch of blurry shots. So, please enjoy that, I guess. Whatever. Enjoy this footage!
Nuthatches are really interesting because they actually walk up trees basically backwards.
This specific guy right here is the white-breasted nuthatch because of its white chest. And nuthatches, in case you were curious, get their name because it comes from the phrase nut hacker, referring to its behavior of wedging nuts into tree bark crevices and then hacking at them with its beak to open them up and eat the seed inside. Essentially, it hatches the nut open, thus the name nut hatcher, or nuthatch.
Let's enjoy a hike, a nice snow-ridden hike. Woo. Something I feel like people often don't talk about is how important it is in cold weather to have really nice hiking boots. Currently, also really nice pants would be nice. These are just jeans, and obviously they're hiked up over my shoes right now, so I'm getting like ice down in my shoes, unfortunately. But these are really nice Gore-Tex Adidas Terex boots, and I'm excited to be able to break them in. This is one of the first hikes I've actually done with them, so I'll let you know at the end of the video how nice they are. Okay. I love snow hikes, but oh my gosh. Sometimes coming through these little areas can be a little bit crazy because I get covered in snow and freezing. This is beautiful though, I'm not gonna lie, but holy cow, that's cold. Yeah. Yeah. In this tree, you can see these mushrooms that have layered all the way up the side of this tree. It's honestly kind of pretty. This is interesting. If you look right up here, I almost missed it. It kind of looks like a bullet came from down that way, shot, which by the way, that's towards the road, so maybe a bit sketchy. Thankfully, there's a little bit of a hill there. Shot, busted through the tree and went out that way. Look at this thing. Looks like it came from that way and then maybe went out that way.
Well, we made it out of the forest, and now we're out on the frozen lake here, Lake Erie, and right in front of us, I'm gonna see how safe it is, but it looks like there's a heron right there and some ducks, so let's see what species we can find.
so much snow. It's gonna be crazy here when we actually start to get the ice to melt and we have the birds out on the ice. This is gonna be absolutely ridiculous. We're gonna have so many birds. I'm not even joking, guys. Thousands of birds that speckle this water. So stay tuned for those videos come. Guys, I was like wondering what the heck was it that scared off all of these birds, because there's a ton of seagulls that you can hear behind me. A bald eagle just dove on them and scared them. Look at this. There's actually two of them that are perched up in this tree over here. You hear that? It's bald eagles. How cool is that? Well, that was cool. It's freezing cold out, and I frankly cannot feel my toes anymore, or my fingers, or really any part or phalange of my body. But it was a beautiful day to get out here during this really intense kind of winter storm. We were out here a few days ago filming, and the snow was pretty much like that. Overnight, it snowed like 4 to 6 inches, so this is insane. It's freezing cold, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like these videos, and if you like any adventures, as always guys, hit the plus for more, or hit that follow button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, because we have content coming out every day in short form and long form content coming out every Friday. Once again guys, if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always guys, keep it real, keep it wild, and I'll see you guys in my next adventures here on Real Wild Adventure. It's so cold.